Okay, here is my Windows machine. Let's go to the browser. https terraform.io/downloads.html. So once you get this download page, just scroll down, you will see the list of the operating system and the architectures. Just download whichever the operating system you have and whichever the architecture you have. And I'm extremely sorry, I have a 32-bit, so I need to go with the 32-bit. So you have the option to save it. So just save it. Okay, I have already downloaded it. So let's delete and once again download it to make sure that the file is. Okay, Terraform is already downloaded. So let's extract it. So here is the Terraform extracted from the Terraform. Now copy it and paste it to the directory wherever you want. So in this case, I want to install it inside the bin. So let's install it inside the bin. Okay, just now you need to copy this path and set it to your environment variable. For that, just click on Start menu, right click on the Compute, Properties, Advanced Setting, go to this Environment Variables, scroll down, go to the System Variables, scroll down and select the path variables. And make sure that, let's remove the older one. Make sure you just append the current configuration, current path. Do not replace all of the path. If you replace all of the path, there may be chances that you will break your Windows machine. So just append your path at the end and press OK, then OK, and final OK. And once this is done, just open PowerShell window, type Terraform version. And if you get the Terraform version value return, then you configure the Terraform properly.